Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to install Neat mod for 1.8.9. So anyway, let's get started. So first of all, we want to scroll down on this link, which I'll leave in the description. Basically this mod will give you the Neat bar, so you will see the health and stuff like that. So yeah, anyway, let's scroll down. So we need to get to the download link, 1.8.9, click this. That should show up this, just press download, press keep, it's safe to keep. Close this fast before all the ads load. Then we want to go to Forge. I will leave the link in the description, so you just have to, I'll leave this link in the description, just press accept. I'm not using an ad blocker, by the way. I want to support the people who make this, but anyway, download the recommended one, the installer, where it says here. You should just wait here 5 seconds. Both links will be in the description, like I said. So you guys, now we have to wait here 3 seconds. Wait here, press skip, wait for it to download. Now that we have these things both here, press keep on this one as well. Minimize this. I'm gonna minimize my recording software as well. And we wanna put this here and this here. And now we wanna just minimize this as well, I guess. So anyway, now we wanna install Forge. So we'll be double clicking here. Wait for it to show up. Might take some time. You can see now you just wanna press OK. You don't have to change anything. As you can see, mine was done instantly. Yours might take a few minutes. It might take 4 minutes. It might take 1 minute. It might take 5 minutes. It's just how it works, because my first time took a long time as well. So you just have to wait. Just wait for it and press OK. Now if it's successfully installed, we want to install the mod. So we'll be doing %updata%. Press enter. Then you want to find out Minecraft. It can be up here or at the bottom down here, depending on how your files are sorted. So just go into it. And then you want to find a mods folder. If there isn't one, that's totally okay. If it's your first time, just do right click, new folder, name it mods, all lower letters like here, like you can see. If there are any other mods here, like I have one mod here, you want to either move it right here, or you want to delete it, or you want to just copy paste it somewhere else, because some mods do not work together. So you don't want to have a new mod that you're trying with an old mods or multiple mods, because it might crash. So you want to try this mod first. So anyway, that's another thing for another video. But yeah, I'm gonna delete this because I don't need this, and we're gonna now move the mod into here. I can drag it. You can copy it. You can, I don't know, control copy and control paste. I'm just gonna do this. It should be here. It should say 1.8.9. Now I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna double click Minecraft, and now we wanna find 1.8.9. Oh, I'm gonna get my password in and I'll be right back. Hello everyone, I'm back. I finally logged into my account. So anyway, you want to find now Forge. So as you can see, it's already loaded for me. You have to scroll up here. Just click this and just scroll up and down. As you can see, I have 1.7.10. I have other versions as well. Just find the one that says Forge 1.8.9. You can also pinpoint it. It says here 2.3 1. Okay, 1 second. So we want to get the latest one. So as you can see, I have 1722 here, and here it's 2318. So we want to go to our installations, and then we want to remove this. You can delete this. I'm gonna delete this one as well. So this is my Optifine. I don't need it, and we can delete this as well. So as you can see now, I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna reinstall this because it doesn't reinstall the latest one. I need this one. So I'm just gonna press OK. Now it should be installed. Now we're gonna double click again. And as you can see, I have the new version now, 2.3.18. That's just in case you have an old version of Forge and it doesn't work, you have to reinstall the Forge. So yeah, now that we have it installed here, we can press it and press play. And you can understand the risks because you're using mods. I'm just gonna press yes, okay. I've been doing this for more than 3 years, 4 years. So yeah. Mods not generally damage your computer or anything like that, so it's all safe. Now it's gonna be loading. It should be working, and it's loaded. So let's go. As you can see, guys, mods, Neat mod. We can try it out. Let me go new world, creative. Let me spawn some chickens, some zombies. I don't know, something, and we'll see if it works. If it's working. Come on, computer, I need you to load the world. Don't be so slow. And we're loaded. Right, let me get a chicken. As you can see, it's all working. The chickens have HP. I'm gonna punch the chicken. As you can see, changes. So yeah. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.